Hi everyone, it is Deborah, blogger and owner of BeVintageStyle.com, back again. Today I have an amazing, delicious recipe to share with you, the Caprese salad. This salad has different names all over the world, but it comes down to the same basic ingredients: fine ripe tomatoes, mozzarella cheese, and fresh basil leaves. My biggest tip for those of you that are making this salad: invest in a high quality chef's knife. I cannot express how much easier this salad is when you have a good quality chef's knife in your kitchen. This goes for any recipe, but especially for ones that you're cutting tomatoes and mozzarella cheese. So let's dive into the simple steps it takes to make a caprese salad.
Caprese salad, or also known as tomato, mozzarella, and basil salad, is extremely easy to make, tastes absolutely delicious, and is actually quite affordable, especially if you can grow your own tomatoes and basil. To begin this salad, start with the best quality produce and mozzarella cheese possible. You'll want to slice your tomato and mozzarella cheese relatively close to the same size. I like to do 1/4 inch rounds. The direction that you cut is completely up to you. However, I like to slice sideways like shown here, as I think it looks a little more attractive. Although any type of tomato will work for this salad, plum and Roma tomatoes are a tad bit sweeter. Cherry tomatoes work well too if you use bocconcini cheese instead of the large mozzarella. You can also drizzle this salad with a balsamic vinegar reduction, which the full recipe is linked on the blog in the show notes below. Now you simply begin to place your ingredients in layers, starting with either the tomato at the bottom or the mozzarella. That's the best thing about this salad, is there's truly no rules. Whatever you prefer works just fine. Drizzle with olive oil and balsamic vinegar if you choose. Sprinkle with a coarse salt for taste. And enjoy one of the freshest, most flavorful salads out there. For the full recipe, please head to the blog.